Umholi weEFF uJulius Malema akakudluki.
No. I think you've got the wrong man. I didn't sing Kill the Boer. Even in the videos that they have presented before my Lord, not a single video shows me singing Kill the Boer. So I think they are looking for a wrong person.
Ubefakaza bethule Afriforum inkantolo.
You see, one, the book you are reading from is badly written and is not peer-reviewed and therefore cannot be used as an authority. Two, in the same book, the discredited book that uses this court to sell itself, said, I've got a Facebook page.
Uthi kuleli culo akasho ukuthi kill the Boer kodwa uthi kiss the Boer nokushayisa nayo nokukholwa iAfriforum.
You also want me to interpret the language you hear?
Yes, just so we're clear. What are you saying?
Kiss the Boer, kiss the farmer. I thought it's English.
It is?
Yes.
And what does that mean?
It means kiss.
Kiss how?
uMalema uthi wakwenza lokhu ucasula abamhlophe abanobandlululo ababukela phansi abantu abamnyama. Leli culo alisusi udlame. Uthi leli culo akufanele lithathwe njengoba linjalo.
It's nothing literal. Even the shooting of the gun is not the real gun. So if it was everything meant in a literal sense, we could have taken guns and shot them in the air, the way we're doing with our hands.
Would you stand on a stage with a gun and shoot it in the air?
Come again?
Would you stand on a stage with a real gun and shoot it in the air?
You are trying your luck.
I'm asking a simple question.
You are trying your luck.
uMalema uthi ukuhlasela kwabalimi emapulazini ubugebengu obubanzi obubhekene nezwe.
Why are the farmers being killed? It's not exclusively farmers. There is a problem of violent crime in South Africa.
Umholi weEFF uzoqhubeka nokwethula ubufakazi kusasa.